And Jesus said to him, "Follow me and leave the dead to bury their own dead." This verse reminds us that following Jesus must take priority over all other concerns in life. It's a call to place our trust in Him, mga classmates, even when it requires tough sacrifices. That is from Matthew chapter 8, verse 22. That's why, mga classmates, being a Christian is not about our convenience, comfort, and personal beliefs. It is standing firm in what God's purpose is for us, obediently and humbly following His will. If faith to you is something of just a choice when you want to do it, then you might as well go all the way with the devil, mga classmates, the world, and your own flesh. Because faithfully following Christ is not about us, but Him. It is not about our life here, but the eternal one. So, if your heart, mga classmates, is not into it, then follow the YOLO advice. You only live once. But if not, then go all the way with the Lord. That's why you can never follow two masters. I can understand, mga classmates, many of you who want to stay in the middle ground. But that again is a deception from Satan, mga classmates, because we do struggle with balancing work, family, and faith. However, as you go along and follow Christ, you'll also know that the sacrifice we make by denying His enemies, the world and our flesh and Satan, is all worth it. Because if you know Him, you'll know He won't leave you. You know He will be victorious. And you'll know that the consequences of being against Him is also eternal. That you wouldn't want to be in at the end, mga classmates. In trusting Him, you'll never go wrong.